I've had clients who've been charged with driving while under suspension in Ontario who claim that the police mistreated them when they were charged. In this video, I'm going to cover 5 things that you need to know whether that treatment can result in the driving suspension charge being withdrawn. First, there are specific rules regarding treatment. The Charter of Rights and Freedoms lays out these rules. The Charter of Rights and Freedoms is part of the Canadian Constitution. All Canadian citizens are protected by these rules from the actions of the government, which include the police. There may be an opportunity to withdraw your charge of driving while under suspension if one or more of these rules is broken. 2, don't get confused. I've spoken with many driving while under suspension clients who said they believe the police did not treat them appropriately. While you may have been treated rudely, that in itself does not violate the rules as outlined in the Charter of Rights and Freedoms. Ultimately, do not confuse what you believe is disrespectful behavior with violating the rules of the Charter. 3, you can review police treatment here. To determine whether the police treatment did break the rules, you need to review what happened. And the place to find out what happened is in the evidence. That evidence will be given to you in a package called disclosure, which you should get at your first court appearance. 4, go deep into the details. In your disclosure, there should be details of what happened when the police charged you. If the rules were broken, then those details should be in the evidence. Some relevant details of what happened may be missing, and that information may be important to prove your claim. If that's the case, you should request additional disclosure to flesh out the details of the missing events. 5, here's what happens when a rule is broken. If the police did break a rule, that would open an opportunity in your driving while under suspension case. However, that does not automatically mean that the charge will be withdrawn, but, and this is important, it may open an opportunity with the prosecutor to discuss the penalty and other ways to resolve your case, which may work out to your benefit. Now, does that mean at the end of the day that you can't beat your driving under suspension charge? In other words, that you can't save yourself from the mandatory 6-month driving suspension or potentially save yourself from jail time? The answer is no. Beating a driving under suspension charge may be possible. Every fact situation is different. I suggest you reach out to me to have a confidential and free discussion about your case.